You know, there's a specific kind of luxury that feels like it's becoming really, really hard to find these days.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
Just silence. The silence of having a desk without a big computer tower humming and heating up the room right next to you.
The dream. Yeah. Just a screen, a mouse, and total peace and quiet.
Exactly. But usually if you want that high performance for, say, 4K video editing, you're stuck.
Yeah.
You're tethered to that loud, hot machine.
Well, today we're diving into a piece of hardware that claims it can cut that tether. We're looking at the NTI ST-IPUSB4K-LCEU.
That is quite a name, a bit of an alphabet soup.
It is. But if you look past that, what you have is a 4K HDMI USB KVM extender, and the key part is over IP.
Okay, so let's break that down. KVM, that's keyboard, video, and mouse. So it's about separating you from the computer.
Right, but the over IP part means we're not just running some super long, thick cable through the wall. It digitizes the signal.
So it can travel over a standard network cable, like a CT6.
Exactly, a CT6, 6A, or 7. It builds a digital bridge between your desk and the machine itself, which could be, locked away in a server closet.
Or apparently, halfway across the building. The specs on this say it can go up to 328 feet.
100 meters, yeah.
100 meters. That's practically a football field.
It is, but that's for a direct connection, what they call point-to-point, just one cable from the transmitter to the receiver.
See, this is where I get a little skeptical. Networked video usually makes me think of, well, compression, lag. If I'm editing video, is my mouse going to feel like it's swimming through molasses?
That's the key challenge, and it's where this unit tries to stand out. It handles Ultra HD 4K, so 3840 by 2160 at 30 hertz. But the really important number is the color space.
It says 4.4.4.
Right. And for anyone who doesn't speak video engineer, that means zero color compression. All the chroma data is preserved.
Which is why text on a spreadsheet doesn't get all fuzzy at the edges like it would on, say, a normal video stream.
You've got it. That detail is preserved. It also handles 1080p at 60 hertz if you need the smoother frame rate over the raw resolution.
Now, you mentioned point-to-point, but since it's IP-based, can't I just plug this into my office's network switch?
You can, absolutely. That's the point-to-many setup. But, and this is important, there is a trade-off.
There's always a trade-off.
If you run it through a gigabit switch, the max distance between the switch and either unit drops to about 164 feet, 50 meters.
Okay, so you sacrifice some range for that routing flexibility. That makes sense.
Yeah, direct for distance, switch for convenience.
And speaking of convenience, how much of a headache is this to set up? Is this something I need to call in an IT pro for?
It shouldn't be. It's designed as plug and play. The receivers are supposed to find the transmitter automatically on the network.
And the USB?
Hot pluggable.
Yeah.
You just plug your keyboard or mouse in, and it should just work.
I did notice something in that long model name, the LCEU at the end. That sounds like a regional thing.
It is. Good catch. That specific version comes with a Europlug power adapter. The device itself runs on universal voltage, 100 to 240, so it'll work anywhere, but you might need a simple travel adapter for the plug itself, depending on where you are.
A little buyer beware note there. Got it. Now, one feature on the local unit, the box by the computer, seems like a total lifesaver, the local HDMI out.
Oh, that's a huge feature. It means you don't lose access at the source. If the network ever goes down or you just need to do some maintenance in the server rack, you can plug a monitor right in and see what's happening.
So you can be in two places at once.
Effectively, yeah. And it's not just video. It carries full audio, too. Dolby, DTS, and it's HDCP 1.4 compliant.
Meaning you won't get that black screen when you try to play protected content from, like, a Blu-ray player.
Precisely. It's a robust little solution. Metal case, 2-year warranty. It feels professional.
It really makes you rethink the whole idea of a workspace. I mean, if you can move the actual brains of the computer 300 feet away with zero loss, do we even need computers on our desks anymore?
Or do we just need portals to them?
Exactly.
Portals. It certainly makes that fan spinning up next to your coffee cup feel a lot more obsolete.
Something to think about. That's all for this deep dive. We'll catch you on the next one.